So hot.
Rambutan, mga ka-friendship. Meron na palang ganito ngayon. Panahon na ba ng rambutan ngayon? So, try natin. Ay, may bulok doon agad, oh. Tingnan naman ninyo. Talagang may nasasama, no? Tanggal. Sana wala nang iba, yun lang. Di nakita. May bulok. Ayan, wala na siguro. So, try natin. Our ulam for today is langgonisa. Ayan. So, ituloy na nating lutuin. Ayan. Pinakuluan naman natin sa tubig yan. Tapos, yan. Nagmantika na siya. So, ganyan muna siya. Kasi baka masunog. Kasi matamis to. And then, pagkaluto nun, yan, yung beans naman ang lutuin natin para may gulay. So, yan na. Luto na ating langgonisa, ang ating beans, and yung kanin. So, kain na po!
And a golf course to look for Woo-Ju, but Dongjin and her family couldn't contact her. Woo-Ju didn't dare to answer Dongjin's call because Sunwoo sent a message saying that Dongjin knew about her and Jungmin, but Dongjin persisted and called her over and over again until he got through to her. The first sentence was not to question Woo-Ju, but to be concerned about where she was. Dongjin told Woo-Ju that she had not done anything too serious wrong. He did not care about that. Seeing him being so tolerant, Woo-Ju cried even more sadly, so she decided to tell her secret. The place where the two of them met was in front of the house. Woo-Ju told him about her father and Hooja's affair. This place used to be Woo-Ju's house until their mother took it away. From then on, Woo-Ju wanted to take revenge on Dongjin, but she discovered that he was different from his mother. He was a gentle and kind person. Hearing that Dongjin not only did he not care about being deceived by Woo-Ju, but he also felt
Yan yung nakuha natin, ay nabili natin. Ball pens. Yan, sana maganda. So, try natin gamitin pansulat kung maging okay siya. So, yan lang.